First, chop your scallions and shallots. Meanwhile, cook your soba noodles. Add peanut oil to a hot wok and cook the chicken. Add garlic, red pepper flakes, and the chopped shallots. Remove and keep warm. Add additional peanut oil to the wok, some brown sugar, oyster sauce, pad thai sauce, and plenty of peanuts. Add 1 beaten egg and the cooked chicken from earlier. Fresh lime juice is next, along with the cooked soba noodles. Garnish with bean sprouts and chopped scallions. Visit KudosKitchenByRenee.com for the full recipe.